In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the host in a Zoom meeting. Whether you need to step away or simply want to pass on the hosting duties to someone else, this process is straightforward and can be done quickly during your meeting. To begin, you'll want to ensure that your meeting has already started. If you haven't yet launched your session, go ahead and do that now, as this is essential for you to change the host. Once your meeting is underway, take a look at the bottom of your Zoom window where you'll see a range of controls. Here you'll find an icon labeled Participants. Clicking on this will open a panel on the right side of your screen, displaying a list of all the attendees in your meeting. Now scan through this list to find the participant you'd like to assign as the new host. Once you've identified them, move your mouse cursor over their name. This will cause a small menu labeled More to appear next to their name. Click on this More button, which will provide you with several options related to that participant's role and permissions. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option to Make Host. By selecting this, you're choosing to transfer your hosting capabilities to that individual. It's important to ensure that you're certain of your choice before proceeding, as the new host will immediately gain full control over the meeting's functionalities. When you select Make Host, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm this change. This is a safeguard to make sure that such an important role is transitioned intentionally. Once you confirm, just like that, the new host will be granted all the capabilities that come with this role. They'll have the authority to manage participants, control meeting settings, and oversee all the administrative duties that ensure the meeting runs smoothly. And remember, this transfer happens instantly, so the new host can take over without any delay, and your transition can be as seamless as possible. This ability to change hosts can be incredibly useful in various situations, especially if multiple people are sharing responsibilities during the meeting. It's a practical tool for collaborative environments or when unforeseen circumstances require a change of plans. By following these steps, you now know how to effortlessly hand off hosting duties in Zoom, ensuring continuity and flexibility in your meetings. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.